This week we are back in the neighborhood of Lyon Park in Arlington, Virginia. And this house right here is full of surprises. It was built originally in 1935 and it was completely gutted and remodeled in 2023. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. What a great surprise we have today. As soon as you come into the house, you're gonna be greeted by this great room. The first area is going to be this living room space. You're gonna have a staircase going up and the staircase over there going down. But first, you're gonna have this fireplace, very modern and very good contrast of color with the black stone and the gray walls. Then you're gonna have this dining room table. Right now you have 6 seats, but I'm pretty sure you can make it a little bit big. Very modern touches with the lights. It looks very, very good. And look at this breakfast table. It is your own diner. It is awesome. And it's a great space. Then, look at this. You have your pantry room, which is absolute great storage. And this bump out here is this space. You can put some appliances away and they are very handy. Now, before we go into the kitchen, I wanted to show you this. This house is perfect for multi-generational because you have an elevator that goes through all 4 levels of the house. Very nice, very modern, very convenient, if you ask me. All right, so let's keep going. Then we are going to have this gorgeous kitchen. The countertops again match the stone that we saw at the entrance on the fireplace. It's the opposite. It's mostly white with gray and dark veins, very pretty. And then you're gonna have this French door refrigerator. Actually, the entire appliance collection is cafe. Then you have on this other side, you're gonna have a range. I'm sorry, it's not a range, it is a cooktop, but it's gas. And you have this very nice hood. Let me show you really quick. So this is a 36 inches cooktop and it's gas. Then you're gonna have your microwave and you're gonna have these 2 ovens also by Cafe. Very, very, very nice. And with all this seating, it is perfect to entertain. You can make or cook big meals here. Anyways, on the other side, you're gonna have your sink, of course, and then you're gonna have these 2-drawer dishwasher. Again, you have plenty of storage space throughout. Look at that, that is a beverage cooler. You can use it for wine, beer, whatever is your, or whatever tickles your fancy. Then we're gonna have more closet space, additional pantry space, and then we go into this mudroom. The mudroom has another refrigerator. You're gonna have plenty of storage down here. Let me show you really quick. There you go, plenty of storage. You can put your shoes away. Then you're gonna have a coat closet on one side and more coat closet. Oh, actually, or pantry space. Okay, beyond this, you're gonna have your only powder room here in this level, ideal for your guests. And then you're gonna have this laundry room, which, by the way, it is a second laundry room. You're gonna see when we visit the basement, that's an entire suite on its own with small kitchenette and everything. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about the different neighborhoods, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post a new video. I wanted to make myself available to you. If you're curious about this house, you wanna come and visit it, make sure you give us a call, send us a text message, and I'll be more than happy to show you around. Anyways, let's go to the second level. On the second level, on this second level, you're gonna find 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's take a look at the first one. This is going to be a full suite with your own bathroom. And look at that balcony over there. The bedroom has a really good size. This is a queen size bed, and I'm pretty sure that you can easily fit a king size. Has its own closet, and you're gonna see its own bathroom. Very nice tile work in the bathroom, and you're gonna have this hexagon tile, which is about an inch. It's not the penny size. Anyways, of course, your toilet, and you're gonna have these 2 sinks with a very, very nice vanity. The material on the handles of the vanity is kind of a nickel color. This balcony out there, you can access this through back here. Of course, you're gonna have your staircase to level 3 and your balcony. This balcony is at the front of the house. And you can see it's a very quiet neighborhood. Okay, in this level also, you're gonna find your primary bedroom. Oh, by the way, before we go into the primary, that is the door to the elevator. This room is absolutely huge. Of course, you have your king size bed, plenty of windows. It has a very modern aluminum fan, and then a sitting area, and of course your fireplace, which the stone in the fireplace is similar to the one on the entrance. This is very cool. So of course, this is your primary bathroom, and this would be your closet. And through the closet, you can also access the bathroom, and the closet is huge. It's a very, very, very good size. So if you come through the closet, you're gonna have your tub right next to the window. And this is not a regular tub. It is a jacuzzi, and it has a bunch of jets throughout. I don't mind ending my day here. And then next to the tub, you're gonna have a big size shower. One little detail here, right next to the shower, you have your towel warmer, which is electric, and it's plugged right there. Very good. So you have a nice size rain shower, and then you are going to have hexagon tiles all throughout on the floor and the accent wall, and then you have your regular shower with an additional wand. And also very convenient, you have your bench to sit here in the shower. And of course, you're gonna have very convenient also. You have these two vanities, his and hers, or his and his, or hers and hers. And then, of course, you're gonna have your toilet room. And look at the TV for when you're in the tub. So, what do you think so far? Go in the comment section and let me know. And let's go to the top floor. Here on the second floor, you're gonna have, there's a debate. You can count them as 3 bedrooms, but let's count them as 2 bedrooms and a flex room. So this is the first full bedroom. You're gonna have a very nice size closet here. And then your actual bedroom. This is really cool because this bedroom shares a bathroom with the next door bedroom. So this is a Jack and Jill. You have a very nice shower, plenty of light. This window is really cool here on the top floor. And then of course you're gonna have your separate toilet room. And then you are going to have a double vanity as well. Actually, finishes throughout the entire house are very modern, very nice. Okay, this would be bedroom number 2 here on the top floor. Plenty of light. Even though we started with a gloomy day, the sun is coming out, it's very nice. But then you have your big closet. Let's go to, would be bathroom number 2, full bathroom number 2 here on the top floor. Again, there is a common theme throughout the entire house. This is the hexagon tile. I love this one. It has tones of blue and purple and brown and kind of yellow. It's very, very nice. And of course, you're gonna have your vanity. And the floors are bigger tile and it's kind of a gray color. Let me show you here. Very nice combination. Okay, let's keep going. And this is what I was telling you about, the flex room. By the way, you have storage throughout the entire house, little doors here and there. Before I forget, also the elevator comes to this floor as well. So this is what I was telling you, that it could be a flex room, but also you can easily convert it into a bedroom if you need to. On this room, you're gonna have closet number 1 and then closet number 2. If you ask me, and I don't have the necessity for this to be a bedroom, this easily could be a family room. You can have a TV on one of the walls, sound system, or actually you convert it into an office like it is shown here. Again, more and more we're working from home, so this actually would be a really cool office because you have also this screened-in porch or screened-in balcony. Look at this. And look at this to the other side. This is very, very, very cool room. And still, guys, we have to take a look at the basement, but I wanted to show you first the garage space. This is what I was telling you, is a 2-car garage. Okay. So far, the house has been full of great surprises, and we still have the basement to check out. So let's go into the basement. We are at the basement. Before we take a look, just wanted to show you, that is a door to the side of the house on this side. And then of course that would be a door to the main level, which you can lock. And this could easily become a rental unit or a short-term rental unit. So you have your living room, and you're gonna have a small kitchen space. And this is really cool. You have already your refrigerator and microwave, and you're gonna have your hot surface, which is an induction surface. So you can actually cook here, at least heat up some water for tea and do your eggs and whatnot. And then you're gonna have plenty of storage space throughout the house. This would be kind of a mechanical room. Actually, this is the mechanical room for the elevator equipment. And this would be your elevator. And this would be your actual mechanical room. This would be your hot water heater, which is tankless, which is incredibly convenient. And then you have your washer and dryer back here. So this actually has all the conveniences of a rental place or a full apartment. And of course, you're gonna have a bedroom, full-size bedroom. With access to the outside, so it does count as a full bedroom. And then you have your full bathroom as well with shower. Of course, you have your toilet, your glass shower, and your vanity. Now let's go and explore the outside of the house and wrap up the video. So let's go. All right, so if you are looking at the front of the house from the outside, this would be the left-hand side, where you have your first parking spot. You can easily park one large car here, and that's the entrance of the house. This will be the front of the house, of course. Now let's go to the back. It is completely fenced, so your doggy can roam around freely. And then that is your car garage. It is full of the owner's belongings right now, so that's why I'm not going to show it to you. And this would be the other side of the house. And I didn't mention it, but you do have two separate units for HVAC systems for the house. Now, this is the other thing I wanted to show you. That over there is a screen, so you can plug in your projector here and you have your summer movies. Again, thank you very much for touring the house with us. My name is Miguel. This is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post videos and you do not want to miss them. So see you next week, and thank you very much.